Hey everyone, I am standing in front of a 1 year old passion fruit vine that's really starting to take over. As passion fruits become very popular, more and more people are becoming more curious into how they can incorporate this plant in their edible gardens. So, here are a couple facts and little tips for you to have a successful first year with your new passion fruit vines. Ways to identify a passion fruit vine is first looking at the leaves. The leaves are very leathery, they're smooth, and they have these 3 points in a palmate shape leaf arrangement. They have these two lobes separating each point, and the plant produces these tendrils, which is always commonly found in very aggressive vining plants. The flower is also very unique and fragrant, and it really is a strong indicator of ways to identify a passion fruit vine. So, tips of how to grow it. As you can see, this passion fruit vine is barely a year old and it's really taking off. So, this is a very aggressive grower. If you're not maintaining it, it'll easily take over. So, you really want to make sure you're on top of the maintenance and you also have a proper, strong support because this guy will need it. It vines like crazy, especially during the spring and summer months when it's warm. You'll see a lot of the rapid growth take off. So you want to make sure you're on top of that maintenance and you don't really try to avoid planting this guy by neighbors or by surrounding plants because if you do lose track of your maintenance, these guys will take over and really strangle around, or strangle really surrounding plants. So really cool benefits of having this plant is the amazing fruit. So here I just harvested a passion fruit. And this is what the flesh looks like. And everything, including the seeds, are edible. It's packed with nutrients, but also something that a lot of people don't know. It's very faint here, but this passion fruit vine, or many passion Passiflora plants, are actually host plants to pollinators called the Gulf fritillary butterfly. So the Gulf fritillary butterfly, it looks very much like a monarch, but it's not. It's not native to California, but it's not invasive. But these are also really good pollinators to have, especially with your kids. Passion fruit vines provide a lot of shade. As you can see here, it is shading our pergola. They produce beautiful fruits, and they also invite awesome insects and pollinators to your garden. So here are a couple of tips. I hope you learned something today, and thanks for watching.